In some news out of Singapore's parliament today, the criteria for receiving civil legal aid is likely to change by the end of this year. The Law Ministry will align its criteria to the other social assistance and support schemes.
It'll use per capita household income, or PCHI, and the annual value of the applicant's residence, savings and investments instead of disposable income and capital. And there will also be greater flexibility in serious cases.
With the advent of the amendments and the criteria that we will use, we expect that the process will be easier to use, simplified, and we believe also that with the discretion portion, that there will be a more justicious use of that discretion to apply to needy cases. So there's a bit more latitude. And we expect on our estimate that with the new amendments, looking at the PCHI and the other criteria, that approximately 25% of all households in Singapore would qualify under that criteria. So there is a fair breadth of coverage with the new means test in place.